Take a ride in the 2022 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, 8 speakers, leather shift knob, tilt steering wheel, leather-wrapped steering wheel, panic alarm. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.